Do you want to change the out of stock text in WooCommerce step by step? Then this tutorial is perfect for you. Hello everyone, this is Mehdi. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the out of stock text in WooCommerce step by step. And the best part is we will do it using a safe method with WordPress hook. So your changes would not be lost even after updating your theme. Make sure you watch till the end. That's why using the wrong method can be break your site. Alright, let's begin. Very fast, let's check which we are going to do. This is the website. If I scroll down, then you can see this is a product, Father's Day coffee mug, and it shows out of stock. Just click over here. This is the product page and you can see it shows out of stock. So I want to change this text, like I want to show here sold or sold out. So very fast we have to install a plugin. That's why we will write the code into the plugin. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, click over here, add plugin. That's great. You have to search the plugin name here. The plugin name is code snippets. So search here code snippets. This is the plugin which we are going to use in this tutorial. Don't worry, I have given the plugin link in this video description. So click over here, install now. Then the activate. After install and activated the plugin, a new option is added in left side menu, whose option name is snippets. You can see this is the new option. If you hover on it, then it shows several options. Just you have to click over here, add new. That's great. Very fast, you can see it shows a title field. Just you have to give a title here. I want to use this code to change the out of stock text. So I can give here out of stock text change. You can give any name here. Then from the right side you can see PHP. You have to select this option PHP. That's why this code is PHP code. Okay, now you have to write the code here, and this is the code. Don't worry, I have given it in this video description. Just copy and paste it, then it will be work. Okay, then you can see in right side save and activate. And another thing is priority. You can change it if the code does not work, like you can give here 90 and you have to give this 90 here as well. You can see 90 and 20 and save and activate. So click over here, save and activate. That's great. You can see snippet created and activate. Okay, now go to the website and check it. You can see currently it shows out of stock. So refresh this page. Yes, you can see the code works fine. Then again go to the plugin settings. So I can go from here. So you can see this is the all snippets. Just click here and you can enable and disable the code from here. Okay, this is the disable and enable. Okay, so again go to the website and refresh it. It works fine, and that's it. This is how you can safely changes the out of stock text in WooCommerce without losing your changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also comment below if you face any issue. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in the next video.